Hello. Can you do photo editing? I will give you $25 for this. I would like the baseball cap placed on the head of the Eddie Murphy character instead of the crown. I would also like the character cut out of the background, changed to black and white, and the NY pin removed.
Let's earn $25. First of all, we need to select the character. You can use whatever tool you like, but I prefer Quick Selection tool. We need to smooth our selection with Refine Edge. Just play with the numbers, you feel great. Yes, our character is out of the background. Let's remove this NY pin here. Now we need to place baseball cap on the head of Eddie Murphy instead of the crown. Let's add layer mask to this cap, and adjust it here and there to fit on the head. Let's adjust color to black and white, as our client required. That's it. $25 goes in the pocket. Haha. If you need any help, feel free to comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more projects like this. Thanks for watching.